Just minutes from Back Bay in downtown Boston sits the newest luxury condo development in Boston's South End, the EL, located at 1395 Washington Street. This boutique building is nearing completion and is almost ready to move in, being built by Embark Construction and Georgiantis Development, known for their work on other premier Boston condo buildings. With only a limited number of homes available, the EL offers an exclusive opportunity to own in one of Boston's most walkable and desirable neighborhoods. In this video, we are looking at these residences in depth, discussing the features, finishes, pricing, and spectacular South End location. My name is Charlie Smith, founder of the Boston Luxury Homes YouTube channel and real estate advisor in the city and surrounding suburbs. Reach out anytime for assistance buying, leasing, or investing in the greater Boston area. The moment you step inside the EL, you can feel how architecture and modern sophistication converge in Boston's South End. A quick stroll away from the best dining, shopping, and green spaces in the city, this 6-story, 33-unit building captures the best of both classic neighborhood charm and contemporary urban living. As you walk through the residences, you'll notice floor-to-ceiling windows, high-end modern finishes, and open-concept layouts that make it easy to entertain or relax. In each home, floor-to-ceiling windows flood the living spaces, kitchens, and bedrooms with natural light, delivering views of the surrounding South End streets below. In south-facing residences, you'll enjoy looking out at the iconic Cathedral of the Holy Cross, a 19th century Gothic Revival landmark that gives a dose of timeless character to your everyday skyline. North-facing homes on upper levels feature sweeping vistas towards Back Bay in downtown Boston. These are the real standout units of this development. From here, you look towards the Back Bay skyline, catching glimpses of the city's landmark towers and a horizon that shifts from sunrise through golden hour to city light nightscapes. The residences have a contemporary design. Wide plank oak floors run throughout, open concept layouts combine living, dining, and kitchen zones, and each residence is finished with modern touches. The kitchens are designed with both style and functionality in mind. Each two-tone kitchen has sleek lacquered flat panel upper cabinetry, paired with rich Brazilian hardwood veneer lower cabinets, creating a warm, modern contrast that feels both sophisticated and inviting. Countertops and backsplashes are finished in Carrara quartz, a clean, durable surface that complements the cabinetry while offering an elegant, contemporary workspace. The cooking package includes full stainless steel GE appliances, refrigerator, range, dishwasher, and built-in speed oven, delivering the functionality and reliability you'd expect in a modern city home. Throughout the home, including kitchen, living, and bedrooms, 5-inch wide plank engineered oak floors provide a seamless, unified foundation that ties the interior together in a cohesive, luxurious style. The living areas at the EL are all about modern comfort, light, and easy indoor-outdoor living. Floor-to-ceiling windows invite sunlight to pour into the open concept layouts that illuminate the homes. Many residences extend this lifestyle even further with private balconies or spacious terraces, offering room for morning coffee, evening cocktails, or just fresh air without leaving home. These outdoor spaces elevate the overall living experience and, depending on the residence, provide dramatic views of the surrounding neighborhood or city skyline. Clean architectural lines and a neutral design palette allow residents to personalize and curate their own style while still maintaining a polished contemporary look. It all comes together to create a refined, flexible living environment that perfectly complements Boston's vibrant South End surroundings. The bedrooms are designed to be calm, restorative retreats within the heart of the city. Spacious layouts, soft natural light filtering through large windows, and the continuation of wide plank oak flooring create a warm, cohesive atmosphere. Primary suites feature well-appointed closet systems that provide ample storage without sacrificing style. The bathrooms further elevate the experience with a clean, spa-inspired design, modern tile work, sleek contemporary vanities, polished chrome fixtures, and glass-enclosed showers. Two-bedroom residences include double vanities for a higher level of comfort and indulgence. Together, the bedroom and bathroom spaces set the tone for relaxation, privacy, and elevated living, making home feel like the perfect place to unwind. The amenities at the EL are designed to elevate daily life with convenience, comfort, and community interaction. At the top of the building, residents can enjoy a beautifully furnished roof deck, complete with a fire table, grilling stations, and 360-degree city views, an ideal setting for outdoor dining, evening relaxation, or hosting friends under the Boston skyline. Pet owners benefit from a dedicated pet spa, thoughtfully added to support a truly pet-friendly lifestyle in the South End. Secure bike storage, elevator access, garage parking available for purchase, and private storage options ensure the practical essentials are well covered too. With professional management and controlled entry access, residents experience peace of mind in a boutique building that feels personal and polished. In terms of architecture, 1395 Washington is a 6-story high-end condo development in the heart of the South End. Its design is committed to creating a harmonious and complementary experience with a local vernacular architecture, as well as for all who walk by. The angled facade adds relief to the street side and breaks down the face in a subtle move that maintains a continuous skin. This angle is accentuated on the ground floor, where the 3 retail spaces are pushed in a further 3 feet to add relief to the sidewalk, reaching a depth of 16 feet at certain points. The EL offers a range of floor plans from studios to 2-bedroom residences designed to suit a variety of lifestyles. Unit sizes range from 567 to 1,041 square feet, providing options for compact city living or more spacious layouts. Pricing starts at approximately $699,000 for studio units and goes up to $1.5 million for larger 2-bedroom homes, reflecting differences in size and configuration. This selection makes the EL accessible to a range of buyers while maintaining its South End luxury appeal. 1395 Washington Street sits in the heart of Boston's South End, a historic and vibrant neighborhood celebrated for its tree-lined streets, Victorian brownstones, and artistic energy. The building places residents steps from the area's signature streets, including Tremont Street, Washington Street, and Harrison Avenue, where you'll find a mix of boutiques, design shops, and restaurants. The neighborhood is known for its walkability, giving residents easy access to everything without relying on a car. Cultural and recreational attractions are just minutes away. Peters Park is a 2-minute walk, offering green space for outdoor activities. Nearby, the South End Open Market and local galleries showcase the city's creative side, while fitness studios, wellness centers, and small theaters provide options for active and cultural engagement. The South End's dining scene complements the lifestyle, with favorites like the Buttery, Toro, Barcelona Wine Bar, and Boston Chops just steps away for casual or upscale meals. Combined with the neighborhood's parks, walkable streets, local shops, and vibrant cultural offerings, the EL is also just minutes from downtown Boston, Back Bay, and Seaport. Overall, the EL residences are a fantastic choice for those looking to own a new construction home in the South End, and are a top recommendation for those looking to live in the neighborhood. The residences, amenities, views, and location make this a great choice for anyone looking to live in a diverse and architecturally significant Boston address. If you're thinking about making a move to Greater Boston, whether buying, renting, or investing, I'd love to be your resource. My name is Charlie Smith, and I specialize in helping clients navigate Boston's luxury real estate market. Feel free to reach out anytime, and if you enjoyed this video, please let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on Boston real estate, luxury homes, and property tours.